come as close as you when you hear the wind blows, but through this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial using most of the eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes I bought from Wish and Joom over the years. Some of my subscribers have been asking how the pigments in the makeup palette from Wish and Joom looks like, and I've not had time to film a video that relates to it, so I'm going to try video by video to do a whole lot of full face makeup using those palettes so that you guys will understand how it looks. So today I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner's Eye of the Storm makeup palette. These colors, and then the one that I recently bought but it's all broken. If you've not had time to watch that video, I'm going to leave it in the link, or I'll put it in the info here so that you guys can check it out. So we're going to start with it. I don't know what look I'm going for, but I hope it comes out good. As you can see, I've done my eyebrows, I've spread my eyelids, and I've put a little bit of foundation on. So we're going to go straight to the video. If you want to know how I normally do my eyebrows, I have done a video about it, and I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box so that you guys will go and check it out if you want to. But without further ado, let's go straight to the video. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said, I use like 3 shades or 2 shades. I used the pink one and the purple one, and with what I observed, they didn't come out right. There's no pigments at all, but the only thing that had a lot of pigment was this palette. That's the one that I use most. It's all broken, as I said, but I use the red, the brown, and the little like a light brown. There's a light brown shade in it. That's what I use to create this look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. So with this look, I did not put on lashes, but if you want, you can put on lashes, and then you can do so many things with this look. I'm just showing you the pigments in the makeup palettes that's normally we buy from Wish. So it's not something that I'm going out right now. I just did this tutorial just for you guys to see the pigments in the palette. So you can put on lashes if you're going out for dinner or a party. You can use this palette because it's really good. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you like this makeup look, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to join this crazy family.